to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you my new Revolut card. Ta-da! So I'm super excited to use this. This is very useful for you as well if you have recently moved to new country and you want to transfer money to your home country, or you want to make payments at any stores. So this is gonna be very useful, and especially for those people who are still waiting for their personal number and ID proof, right, to get a new account. So this is the solution for you. You can use it even if you don't have any personal number. You can use this. You can get this physical card as well. First of all, you just need to download the app for Revolut. Okay, and let me show you. Actually, it's quite interesting. Ta-da! It's like I can customize my card, all those stickers. Can you see? It's so cool.